Let's be honest, you think it's harmless. A quick scroll while you wake up. Just check your messages, Instagram, skim the news. Tap through a few stories. No big deal, right? But here's the twist. That tiny reflex could be the move ruining your entire day. Because what feels like easing in, actually switching on stress, fatigue, and brain fog before your feet even hit the ground. And the wild part is less about the act of using your phone and more about the timing of when you are using it. You see, your mind and your biology is most vulnerable to influence and conditioning upon waking. Your brain, your energy systems, your mental health, they're all shaped by this prime time. And in this video, I'll break down how this one reflex silently hijacks your energy, rewires your brain, and leaves you tired but wired before lunch. And more importantly, what to do instead. I'm Matt Farr, and for the last 23 years, I've been obsessed with one thing: unlocking the energy, vitality, and longevity of the body and mind. I've sold over 12,000 books and courses and helped everyone from billionaires and CEOs to everyday folk to feel and perform at their best. So let's talk about problem one, the silent hijack. When you first wake up, your brain's in a magic window, a state known as the theta-alpha transition. It's soft, quiet, absorbing, like a sponge, wide open. You're not fully awake, but you're not asleep either. Up. Then it happens. You grab your phone. Inbox, news, Instagram, notifications. Each one a little jab to your nervous system. And suddenly, your calm morning gone. It might seem subtle, but your biology has gone from presence to panic in seconds. From internal rhythm to external chaos. From self-direction to reacting to everybody else's agenda. You're not just reacting, you're rehearsing reactivity, reinforcing it, hardwiring it. Every scroll at this time hardwires your brain for stimulation, to scan, to jump, to stay on edge. No wonder you're drained by 11. This spike in mental load burns through your focus reserves before the day's even begun. Instead of building your energy naturally, you're starting with depletion. You begin the day starting on stress chemistry, not real fuel. But that's not even the whole story. Here's where it goes from bad to worse. Problem number two, while you're wired, that screen you're staring at is not just full of noise, it's full of light. And not the good kind. Blue light. In high doses. Unbalanced, artificial, disorientating. See, natural morning sunlight is full spectrum. It gives your body the right timing cues through the balance of different wavelengths of light. Red, blue, infrared, ultraviolet. It wakes you gently. But your phone, it's a blue laser to your face. Imbalanced and strongly biased to the blue portion of the light spectrum. And when that unbalanced light hits your retina, your brain gets one message, even though your nervous system is still in sleep mode. The result? Cortisol spikes, nervous system overdrive, and worst of all, circadian disruption. Exposure to imbalanced, intense blue light completely disrupts your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm. This internal clock plays a pivotal role in regulating your sleep, your energy, your alertness, virtually every biological process in your body. You need to harmonize it first thing in the morning, not dysregulate it. Blue light first thing in the morning throws off your biological clock and overstimulates your nervous system. It steals your natural energy rhythm, leading to afternoon crashes, poor sleep at night, and long-term exhaustion from circadian misalignment. But what about blue light filter apps on your phone at this time? Sadly, most don't do a great job, especially if you have the iPhone. Night Shift does a pretty poor job, to be honest. Most phone filters are cosmetic. They don't actually block the blue light. Most just add a warm orange tint to the screen. They just look like they're doing something. But the good news? There is a workaround. To truly filter out blue light, you either need blue light blocking glasses Or you need a simple hack that adjusts a setting on your phone and allows you to turn off blue light completely at the touch of a button. Drop filter in the comments and I'll send you this hack along with a simple test you can do to check if any blue light is being emitted from your phone screen. Problem number 3, you're unknowingly programming your brain. Now zoom out. There's a deeper reason this matters, and most people completely miss it. That dreamy state you wake up in, it's like wet cement. Whatever you press into it sticks. If the first thing you feed into your brain is fear, stress, chaos, comparison, that becomes your emotional baseline for the day. But here's where it gets worse. It's not just your focus being hijacked, it's your dopamine system being rewired. Every scroll triggers a hit, a loop, a craving for novelty and speed. And the more you reward that loop, your focus drops, stillness feels uncomfortable, and you lose the ability to be present without stimulation. And this is happening when your brain is most malleable, right after you wake up, when neuroplasticity is high, when you're most programmable. So that quick scroll, it's not neutral, it's neural conditioning. And it's shaping how you feel, how you think, and how much energy your brain has to function with. You're burning dopamine before you've even earned it, which leaves you feeling flat, distracted, and in low motivation by mid-morning. Long-term, this erodes vitality, leaving you feeling less joy, less drive, less spark. To an extent, this happens through excessive phone use at any time in the day. But first thing in the morning, this effect is magnified by 10. So what's the alternative? Simple, not always easy, but powerful. Delay screen time for 30 to 60 minutes upon waking. Get natural light in your eyes, movement, and let your nervous system arrive before your inbox does. To understand this better, check out my video on the 3 things to do every morning to 3x your energy. I'll link it at the end of this video. Start with nature, not notifications. Stillness, not stimulation. Presence, not pings. Your phone can wait, but your energy, that's everything. These simple swaps realign your biology with its natural rhythm, helping your body generate real, sustainable energy, not fake, adrenaline-pumped energy. This is how you build vitality from the moment you wake. To receive more videos like this, hit subscribe now. And if you know someone who really needs to hear this right now, hit share.